Nice Killdozer Modified Bulldozer t-shirt is the perfect choice for anyone who loves rugged style. Combined with comfort, crafted from 100% cotton, this t-shirt offers a soft, breathable feel that makes it ideal for everyday wear. Whether you're working outdoors, hanging out with friends, or simply want to showcase your love for heavy machinery, this shirt delivers both durability and style. Proudly made in the United States, it supports local manufacturing while ensuring high-quality standards. The classic fit and attention to detail make this a versatile wardrobe staple that can withstand regular wear and washing without losing shape or comfort. Nice Killdozer Modified Bulldozer t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Unleash power with our Nice Killdozer Modified Bulldozer t-shirt, perfect for heavy machinery fans. Get cozy in our Nice Killdozer Modified Bulldozer sweatshirt, perfect for heavy-duty style. Unleash power with the Nice Killdozer Modified Bulldozer tank top, gear up for adventure. Rock the Nice Killdozer Modified Bulldozer tee, perfect for strong women who love style. Unleash your inner power with the Nice Killdozer Modified Bulldozer hoodie, built for boldness. Unleash your inner beast with our Nice Killdozer Modified Bulldozer t-shirt. The Nice Killdozer Modified Bulldozer t-shirt stands out with its unique design inspired by powerful construction machinery. It's a statement piece that combines functionality with bold graphics. Available in multiple styles, including tank tops, V-necks, sweatshirts, and hoodies. It caters to different preferences and seasons. Each piece retains the same premium 100% cotton fabric, ensuring softness and durability in every product. This collection is perfect for fans of construction equipment, enthusiasts of industrial design, or anyone looking for comfortable yet eye-catching apparel made with pride in the USA. Other product